Welcome to IS301. I'm Professor Fahmi Jalani. Today we'll be covering the topic on search space. How search works, how to monetize it, and the importance of strategy. Let's take a look at Google. Take a look at overview, what actually happened, how search work, terms like crawling, indexing, processing, calculate relevance, fighting spam, retrieving result and references. So overall, we know Google was founded by Larry Page and Sergey Brin. They are a PhD student at Stanford in 1996. Company located at Mountain View, California. It earns by advertising, Play Store, many other things. We're familiar with that. It runs thousands of server, i.e. Linux around the world for your search. So what actually usually happens in a search when a user does a query, it goes to the web server and then it index from the server and the document server, and it returns the result to the user in a split second. Those of us are familiar with search. Okay, for example, here there's a search for SEO or search engine optimizer on the top here, and within 1.4 seconds, okay, the result is here. Okay, this is the result from Google, and on the display here we see other than the result we have search suggestion, which Google suggests. Take note, as you progress, there are keyword title. This is basically text that is implemented in the HTML. Most of us would know that. Okay. Keyword in links, for example, where website could have hyperlinks, right? And also another one, header one text. Okay, this could be embedded in the website. As you scroll down below, okay, Google will also prompt you about related search that other people would search or could be interest of you. Okay, so how does Google search work? We have crawling, indexing, processing, okay, calculate relevance, fighting spam, and retrieving result. So as a user does the query, okay, Google will process it by fetching all the website linked to the query. This software called crawler or spider or maybe Google bot. Right? It will go through the list of their server, technically the whole internet. Okay, and from there it was like we saw the result just now, based on their could be based on their title or keyword, or could be text or header. Here is illustration of crawler and spider, okay, where the top are the main crawler spider, and then it will link to the rest, okay, finding the website. Indexing, you see illustration of library, okay, database for example, okay, so after every search there will be index, okay, stored in the database. So it will be easier for that to be retrieved not only by you, maybe for other search user. Okay. Next, by algorithm. So when you search, you want to be accurate, and Google will try to give you the best. Okay. And through certain algorithms and clues, okay, and processes and formula, you will get the end result. For example, it could be autocomplete, freshness, site page quality, safe search, and synonym. How they calculate by content? Okay, um, Google will do a keyword search. Also, we covered on title, is the HTML code, programming, header one, okay, alternate text. Okay, could be hyperlink. Okay, to give you the best result. Having said that, there are also bogus or spam fake website, and Google is fighting the war, and it will bar or block certain blacklist website that they think is not relevant. Okay, retrieving the result. Okay, so as Google retrieve the result, they will display it to the user for both matching factor within second. Okay, next we take a look at how to monetize it. Okay, for search, there's search monetize software. Okay, uh, mobile apps, website extension, okay, desktop application. This type of software can match target ads with consumer search result by adding a few lines of code to the website. Okay, these two can monetize search in one or two ways. First, monetize software can redirect desktop or mobile search queries from website extension browsers over directly to the search partner like Google, Bing, or Yahoo. Okay. Second, these two can also have capabilities to integrate search box directly to a business website mobile app extension. Okay, essentially, it's trying to make money from search. Those of us who do regular search, you'll see sponsor ad on Google website. That's how Google make money. Okay. Maybe in the olden days they do pop up, but it's not more popular right now. And we have pop up blocker too. So next is to compare between monetizing and growth. Okay, your monetization strategy basically linked to the product's lifecycle business. Right? Essentially, all website needs to make money. Okay, some startup won't focus on making money at all, but instead acquire on basis of technology they built or talent they have recruited. Okay, if you are a startup, basically you know upfront that you are not seeking to generate meaningful revenue until you reach a number of users. Uh, you need to make clear decision to set your investment goal uh, based upon this. Okay, even you don't have revenue generation baked into your product from day one, okay, it's worth considering what your revenue stream might be in the future. Okay, if there is no potential path to monetize in the future, this can be a problem for your product and for your business. Okay, take note. So when should you monetize? Essentially, here we have a diagram between seller and customer happiness. Okay, between you and the seller, if you exchange, they paid, and you under deliver, the imbalance of exchange in favor. Okay, the indifference, you basically or guilt, and the guilt will lead to a resentment of your own customer. Okay, customer will feel cheated. Okay, they will either never deal with you again, or you go out of your way to spread the negative opinion of you to others, right? So basically, people bad customer could go viral. Fair exchange, they paid a low but fair price for what they received. So satisfied, they are satisfied, both person are satisfied. And alternatively, they paid price with was too low considering that they achieved imbalance of exchange in favor of customer. You could begin to resent your customer. You won't deliver to your fullest. Can create a sense of guilt again. Humanity to seek relieve that guilt by minimizing you as a seller. Okay, so you can get complaints, more demanding customer, chargeback, more trouble. Okay, less invest and general engage. If they paid fair but higher price, the promised outcome was delivered in time, so you are happy, your customer are happy, and they could come as a return customer or recommend them to other customer or consumer. So monetizing for fun and profit, my advice is take it slow. If you're going to increase your revenue, okay, increase your value. Don't let short-term revenue blind you for long-term. Okay, try not to make fast money. Don't just expect to solve uh, the money problem later, uh, but is viable, feasible in the long run. Okay, next we take a look at search space. Okay, the strategic importance of search. Here we have 6 steps. We have first is to step 1, spend some time thinking about your topic. So basically, when you do a search, or if you're creating a website itself, what would the customer look for? Clarify and define your research question. Break down search topic into section. Think of the keywords, for example. Next step 2, considering your search terms. Generic words, discuss, access, important. Consider alternative terms, firms or businesses. Alternative spelling, organization with a S or Z, right? Behavior with a U or not. 3, linking your search term together. It could be and, for example, retailing and marketing, okay, workspace or organization, things like that. Number 4, choose your database. Database could be subjected. Okay. Searching and modifying your search online. Database will use different search. Okay. Subject, author, text, title, for example. Relevant result. Okay. Is the item full text, direct to what you wanted? Is it accurate? Okay. Could you give the best result to be value to your customer? Okay. So that's pretty much it for search. If you have any question, please email me. Also, you can drop by my office. Stay safe and thank you very much. Bye bye.